friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, hello, my name is Kitija and I own a small jewelry business, and in this channel I show you how I make the jewelry I either sell or I have found on the internet or subscribers have asked me to make, and that's what I do. I just show you step by step each item, find all the supplies that you would need and link them in description box. So in today's video I'm gonna make something a bit unusual, but it's very interesting, and it's this cute bracelet. So like, for me it's very unusual because if you have seen my videos before, you know that I work with like daisies a lot, but this one, it's cute. I made this little heart as well because I don't know, honestly I just felt like it. If you want me to, I won't be showing how I make this heart in this video, but if you do want me to make one in a video, let me know in the comment section. But yeah, how interesting is that? And it's quite like, it doesn't really like bend or anything. So the things that I'm gonna use are a mat. I always have a mat when I work with beads. Then I have some lobster claw and 2 jump rings. These ones are very basic. They're not sterling silver or stainless steel. They're just basic ones that I got from Amazon just for these videos. Then I got some wire. Again, I got this one from Amazon. I will link the size and everything in the description box. And again, it's not like silver or stainless steel. It's just the basic one that I got for this video. Then I have some Miyuki beads. I just mixed some colors together because I just like the combination, but you can mix any colors together. Honestly, you don't need to have the exact same. And those are Miyuki beads size 11/0. Then I have 4 different pliers. Here are some to put the lobster claw on. Then I have round nose pliers just to make the loop here. And then I have the cutter. And then, very unusual thing, but I have a screwdriver. And the reason is because I'm gonna wrap the wire around it. So I couldn't figure out how to make the shape. So I was going through all my drawers just to find something. At first I thought I could do it with the pen, but with the pen it comes out really big. So I found a screwdriver, and that's what I'm gonna be using. And before we start the video, if you enjoyed it, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. The support you have given me so far is amazing, and I'm so grateful, and I'm so happy to see every week how much the channel is growing and how much you're sharing with others. And if you want to support this channel, I'm forever grateful if you share, if you like the videos, if you comment on the videos, and yeah, just be here and watch the videos. So I'm gonna start by taking the wire, and I'm gonna take about 50 centimeters. And here, as I always say, it depends on your size, what you want it to be. In all my videos, the sizes that I take is for me. So you don't have to take exactly the same sizes. You need to make sure that, for example, this bracelet is 16 centimeters, and I'm trying to make it the same way as this one, but obviously you can have it a bit more spread out or a bit more together. And if your wrist is bigger or smaller, the sizes will vary. You just need to, I'm just letting you know that I'm taking about 50 centimeters for 16 centimeter bracelet, and I'm trying to make it approximately the same with like how it's spread out. So I just start by taking the wire and just holding it down. If you have any other tool that you use, you do the same thing. You just wrap the wire around. And that's it. And now I'm just gonna take my pliers and just sort of like pull it so it spreads out. And here, as I said, you can pull it more and it's going to spread out more, or you can just like leave it a bit tighter, but I think this is a good size for me. I'm just going to measure it on my wrist. Yeah, I think that's great. And now what we need to do is just make a loop on one of the ends. I'm going to take this one, and what I do is just, you can just straighten out the wire, and then I take the round nose pliers and I'm just going to make a loop. So I grab the wire, I push it back, wrap it around like so, and then I just take the end and just wrap it around here. And I'm going to do it with pliers because that's how I find it easier to do it, especially because it's like very short end. And just wrap it around. It doesn't matter how, well, there's no like a certain amount you need to wrap it around, but I would do at least 3 times, but I did 4 times now. And then you just cut the loose end off. Oh, careful, if it's really short, be careful, like hold it somehow so it doesn't get in your eye. And then here you just fold down the end so it doesn't scratch your hand. And that's it. And here you can now pull the jump ring and the lobster claw. And now what you need to do is just keep putting the beads on the wire. And just like that. You just keep putting the beads on. Oh, this one doesn't fit. Until the whole thing is full. And you just keep putting. You can mix the beads as well, like you can put different sizes if you want. And then you just sort of like push them down so they go to the very bottom. Let me put some more so I can show you better. The beads should be going through nicely, but some of them don't. And this is where you need to make sure that the wire that you work with is not too thick for your beads. But as I said, I'm gonna link the beads and the wire that I use in the description box. So now I have put some on, and what I do, you just need to sort of turn them, drag them down to the very bottom. Oh, if you shake it, I didn't know that. So if you shake it, they're gonna go down. So you just do that. And that's it. And now you just need to put the beads for the whole bracelet, and then I will show you how to finish it up.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind.
Okay, so I have finished putting the beads on, and now I'm gonna take, and I have put them quite far on this end as well, so I'm gonna take my round nose pliers and do how I did in the beginning. I'm just gonna grab the wire and push it back, wrap it around like so, and then just wrap the wire around, and I would do it just up to where the beads end. And just keep wrapping it around. And now, as earlier, I'm just gonna cut the loose end. Again, careful, hold it so you don't hit your eye, and then you just fold down and then put a jump ring on. And this is it. This is your bracelet done. How cool is that? It's actually really like so cool. And like I can imagine it with like really bright mix of colors would be so pretty. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I upload videos every week, so I will see you next time. Bye.